All right, so you got the first Bushwacker fender flare on. Keep in mind that mine will cut up higher to allow for more ground clearance, but if I'm going to go bigger tires anyways, I need to put a lift on it. So this looks great. So far it's turning out absolutely phenomenal. One thing I'll point out is don't try to put this on until you get the actual fender flare started. So basically what I did was I measured it and I cut this to length, pulled the tape off, went ahead and started these where they were anchored to the body but not all the way in, and then you use the tool, start on this end, and as you do it, you come up to here, tighten that one down, you come up to here, tighten that one down, you come up to here and tighten that one down. I tried to do it a couple different ways. It was a pain in the ass, but it ended up working out perfect. You can see got really good seams, or I'm sorry, really good coverage for the seams all the way around. Looks phenomenal. I'm gonna step back. Obviously I got a lot more to do, but as far as the initial first one, couldn't be absolutely happier.